first of all, that this growth framework exists at all, and if you're serious about growing your business, you should investigate it and learn it, because it is kind of universal, right? He's not come up with anything other than a very simplified and useful way of seeing where your business is and growing it. And the second thing, as I always mention, is no matter where you are, you need to surround yourself with people that can help you. Get yourself a business coach. Get yourself some advisors. Get yourself people who are ahead of you, who know more than you. You're going to need them, and you're going to save a lot of heartache by getting help. You need help. I don't think any business owner can grow without help, because it's a unique path. Not everyone can be on that path. Not everyone goes on that path, but there's many people that have gone on that path and have learned a lot on that path and can help you grow your business. So if it isn't me or Andrew, find somebody else that can help you.